Hey you guys, are you an artist or up and coming artist, but you haven't quite found your it look? Well, I'm going to show you how you can take your everyday look into your signature look within 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this in 5 minutes. So keep watching. Welcome back, you guys. As you know, I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe below. So we have our model here, Alexia Reiner, and I'm going to show you how we take her everyday look and turn it into her signature look within 5 minutes. This right here is not Lexi's signature look. She typically wears her hair in 32 inches extensions. However, she is a DJ and she is on the road a lot. So I want her to be able to have versatility and be able to style it while she's on the go. Show you how we take her everyday look and spice it up so she can have her signature look while she's on the road. As you can see, she is fully natural. Tip 1, always start on wet natural hair before doing any manipulation, followed by a spray and leave-in conditioner. And then we're going to go ahead and blow dry her out, get it nice and broken down so we can get her braided up. So let's get started. So we finished up braiding down her hair. We went ahead and secured it with a net just to add a little bit more security. So we're about to begin sewing down her extensions. So as I told you before, she likes to wear 32-inch natural wavy Indian hair. So we do have her hair here. It's reused. This is from SL Raw Virgin Hair. It's the natural wavy. And this is going to be our second time using this, I believe. And it's already been cleaned and washed. All the tracks are intact because I don't like to cut my tracks. We're going to begin sewing this in.
Look at what you did.